So just starting the hike at Frontenac, going to Doe Lake. Got about 3 kilometers. It's 5 p.m. So listen to all those spring peepers. Still snow. The bathroom. This is site 2A here. There's a bald eagle over there. Guessing this is your fire pit? There's another site here with a really nice fire pit. This is site 2B. Really nice view. This is site 2C. You got not as great a view, not as nice of a tent pad. Overlooking this beaver dam over there. Nice little tiny food storage, I like that. It took me an hour and 17 minutes to get here roughly, and 4.3 kilometers. And it's almost 7 o'clock now, so I can't see anyone else coming. Anyways, beautiful lake, lots of white pine. Yeah, man. As a treat for the first night, I usually like to bring a beer or some decent food like chicken finger, steak, or today is brought to you by Subway. No beer. Got a nice sunset happening. And just like that, we have fire. Good morning. It was quite the rough night sleeping, not because of the A-frame. That thing was sweet, actually. Really liked it. Good ventilation. I didn't really feel like I was as open or as exposed as it was. Earplugs, also another great idea with all these spring peepers, frogs, owls, everything out here. But my air mattress, guess it's leaking. So that really sucked. I had to wake up like, well, it lasted a good 2, 3, 4 hours before I noticed, and then it was like every half hour trying to blow it up. Anyways, got up really early this morning around 5 a.m. because I thought it was supposed to rain. We got a few drops, but yep, all packed up and ready to go.